welcome back to my channel. If you're new to my channel, I'm Shivani Raina, a fashion, beauty and lifestyle influencer, and I just launched my YouTube channel. So let's get the party started. So today I'll be talking about my skincare routine, which has been requested by a lot of people. I'm just super excited. One of my biggest passions apart from fashion is skincare, like way more than makeup. So I'm going to share the products I use on an everyday basis, but always remember the basic principle behind good skincare is the same for everyone, no matter what skin type you have. That is cleansing, toning, serum, moisturizer and SPF. And these products are well tested for sure. And FYI, this is not a sponsored video, so these are products that I truly believe in after a lot of trial and error. Please subscribe if you're new here, and don't forget I will link everything I'll show in today's video down below in the description box. First and foremost, what I do is remove my eye makeup first, and please always remember to be gentle with your skin. It doesn't matter if you're using cotton pads or wipes. I like to use Bioderma makeup remover. My friend actually recommended this product. It has helped me a lot because I have really sensitive eyes. Other products used to cause eye irritation, but no more. So I take this on a cotton pad. Where is my pad? Yeah, so I take this on a cotton pad. You can take like 1 or 2 pumps. I like to press it on my eyes and gently rub it to remove all the eye makeup like your mascara, eyeshadow, liner. It will help you a lot in taking out extra makeup and make your life a lot easier. After removing my eye makeup, then I move on to cleansing. I love foaming cleansers since I have really dry skin. I have a few cleansers that I love. My favorite is the Sebamed foaming face wash. I use this in the morning and night. I literally just finished this cleanser and I have been using this for the last 3 years. So you just massage this on your damp skin and it helps to remove all my makeup without making my skin dry. And what I like is that it's really simple and gentle on your skin. The other cleanser, which I also highly recommend as an alternative, is by SkinCeuticals, another brand that I love. It's also great for your skin, but it will make your skin a little dry, but it's okay as long as you're not breaking out. Now that I've finished with my cleansing, I can move on to the next step. I have to be honest, I never used to apply toner. I never understood the importance of a toner until recently. It is so important to use it. It helps with breakouts, to remove extra makeup like around your neck, hairline, which is usually missed even when using a cleanser. So for my toner, I use Clinique Clarifying Lotion Step 2. Again, just take this on a cotton pad. And I got these from Amazon. Just rub it all over your face, your neck and around your hairline. And now check your cotton pad again. You will be amazed to see the amount of makeup on it. Wow, so much makeup. Very important tip for you guys: whenever you're applying these products on your face, neck, just make sure you're pulling your skin gently upwards, which will help in minimizing wrinkles and you'll have a tighter skin. Now it's time for my favorite step, that is applying face oil and serum. So this was actually recommended by my dermatologist because I always had a little bit of acne because I have open pores. So I use Blemish Plus Age Defense by SkinCeuticals at bedtime, and in the mornings I use CE Ferulic. I have a couple of different serums. For example, I have Elizabeth Arden Vitamin C Serum. I use this when I'm traveling instead of carrying these bottles. I just pack a few capsules in my bag. So, like these. I use this one the most, the Blemish Plus Age Defense. I just switch out serums based on what my needs are. This serum is so good, especially before going to bed. It will do all the work for you, and all you need to do is just get a good night's sleep. It gives a very refreshing and soothing feel. So just take a few drops and pat all over your face, neck, and please don't forget your chest. It just makes your skin glow. For moisturizer, I generally use Cetaphil or Triple Lipid Restore from SkinCeuticals. This is just so good and pure and so soft. I've tried so many other moisturizers before, but hands down, these are my favorite ones. However, if my skin is really dry, then I apply Elizabeth Arden cream, and as you can see, I'll show you. As you can see, this is a pretty thick cream. Like I mentioned, my skin is really dry, so this does a really good job in protecting it. If you're traveling or constantly in a closed environment or office where the air is dry, this will keep you well hydrated and moisturized. So the next step is probably the most crucial, which most people ignore. SPF. The most damage to a person's skin during their lifetime, including pigmentation, wrinkle, is from sunlight, aka harmful UV light. If you want to age gracefully and continue to look younger than your biological age, SPF is a must, even when you're indoors. Yes, even when you're indoors. So I use SPF by two companies, SkinCeuticals and Supergoop. The minimum recommended SPF is 30, but I use 50. The higher the number, the better the protection. Now after all this, I throw on a little bit of lip balm and that's it. I'm done with my skincare routine. Of course, I always recommend seeing a dermatologist if you have really bad acne or other skin ailments, despite doing basic skincare. Thanks for watching my video, and I really hope you enjoyed the video. If you have any questions, leave them down below. I love you all, and I will see you next time, and stay tuned for more.